Common Mazda 3 infotainment issues include black screens and no sound, often caused by software glitches or hardware vulnerabilities. For a quick fix, perform a simple reset by holding the volume knob down for 10 seconds to clear the cache. If audio issues persist, check your Bluetooth connections for pairing failures. For black screens, disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes, then reconnect and restart. Keep the car in accessory mode while troubleshooting to prevent draining the battery. When basic resets fail, use a diagnostic tool like ForceScan to scan for error codes. The V-Gate V-Linker FS scanner works perfectly with ForceScan for this purpose. For persistent black screens in 2017-2019 models, a faulty HDMI port or capacitor may be the issue. Mazda issued recalls for these, so check your vehicle's status. Ensure your system has the latest software updates. Mazda releases OTA updates to fix bugs. For older models, consider manually updating the MZD Connect system to the newest firmware. If problems persist, consult a certified Mazda technician for hardware repairs, particularly if you suspect a faulty CMU infotainment control module. Prioritize official updates and professional help to prevent recurring issues and maintain system stability.